Welcome to another video, and this one we're looking at Artela, or what do they call it? Now I've copied the links to my clipboard. Artela, yes. Now let's first go to the Galaxy stacks. Okay, let it load. Okay, it asks me to input my open my wallet, import. Okay, now my wallet is logged in. Let's click login, MetaMask. Okay, sign in. Okay, the first thing I always do is this. I always follow the project, this section here. Let's click follow. Okay, now the first task is here, get involved, blah blah blah. I think you guys will easily know how to do all this. Okay, just in case, let me just click here, the first task there. Just click and do it and show you guys. Just ask me to log in again. That's how this account is logged. Let me reopen it. Okay, I've confirmed that I'm a human, so my account is unlocked. Let me go back to the task. Let me just close this tab, go back to the task and click it again. Okay, follow and close the tab. Next thing is to join their Discord. Click on it. Okay, now if you're not on desktop view here, take it to your Discord app. You can use, if the Discord you're using here is the same as the one on your Discord app, it's no problem. If not, just go to Discord to desktop mode. Okay, now let's join. Accept invite, verify. Inside this UMEVVG, capital letter UMEVVG. Submit. Okay, so you go to this section here, click. That means I've been verified. Now next thing to do here is this. Under this, just go to GM and just type in GM and send. Then let's go back to this menu option at the top here. Click on it. Then go to the testnet file set and submit your address like this: $request space, then your wallet address. This is my wallet address. Then click on send. Okay, once that is sent, they will send me the test token. I think I'm done with that now. I can go back to my Missy and close this one. Okay, now join. The third one is join Telegram. Okay, where's my Telegram at? I think this should be where it is. Okay, join chat. Okay, there's no need to verify here. Okay, let me minimize and even close. Then I can click on this to confirm the task. Okay, just keep doing it again. It doesn't work. Just go to the next one. You reload the page. Now the next one is this. Let's see if it's going to verify. Okay, that's verified. Message in the Discord group. Now we need to claim this before we can claim the second one. Now this one is not working. Just click on this task. Let us go into the page fully and try it again. It's the same thing. Okay, let me reload. It's their API that's having issues confirming that you've done the task. Okay, let me try for Telegram first. This Telegram is just doing rubbish. Okay, you can try that later. Now let's move on to the next one. We come back to it later. The next one, I've copied the link. Let's go to this inscription. This is load. The next thing we do is connect our wallets. Okay, remember the wallet you need to use. Next, connect. Okay, approve. You'd need, okay, switch. Now you can see that my wallet is connected. Then you can see there have been various ones that have been done before. This one has been total supply and everything has been minted out. So you go back to the top. The first one, this is total supply. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 21 billion or so. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 21 million. This has been minted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 1.3 million minted. The next thing you're going to do, just at this place, just click on 10. 10 is the maximum you can mint at a time. You can see in the information here, limits per mint is 10. You click on mint. Should be able to confirm the transaction in your wallet now. Confirm. And it will mint, okay? Mint success. Now I'm just going to do this twice. Mint again. Then the next day you can do it again one more time. Okay, now you can see that my balance has increased 20 wave 1.2. So that's the second one. Now the third one you need to do is this. The third link is this, to play the game. Okay, open the game, you connect your wallet, select MetaMask. Remember we are using the Missy app. Connect. Okay, my wallet is connected. Now I press this section here. It says press to initiate game account. Press. Then you confirm the transaction in your wallet. Let's wait for it. Okay, confirm. And this game is kind of simple and easy. All you need to do is move yourself to tiles, and it's like chess. You have to win. You have to get on the same tiles with others on the board with you. You can see this board. You can see you are the one in colored. These are other players. So to move, use W up, S down, D right, A left. So let's move. I want to go and take those position. You can see I'm going to move now. It takes time. You can see it's loading here. You can see I've moved. Now let me go up and go and finish this idiot. Not idiot per se. Okay. I hope I can finish him. I think I have. Now I have the points. History score. I have the points. Now let me go for this one too. The other player is playing live. You have to be careful. Even if they beat you, you have another chance to play again, okay? Did I get him? I got him. Now 2. At least try get to 5 before you quit the game for now. You can see here, play on Shane game without Shane out and NPC. Actually 5 score to win reward. So let me try and tackle this one. Come and tackle this one. Okay, let me move like this. Then I'll start moving down. Wait for it to load. You can see that it's loading. To move now. I have to go down. Let me go and catch these people. I think this one is dormant. This one is not moving. Let me come down. Let me see. Now it's not moving. Let me go. Let me attack this one. It's not moving. The player is offline, or the player is just busy, or he doesn't understand yet. Just keep moving. Oh, it's available. He has moved. Let me go down. Go and disturb this once here. Nigga has moved. Okay, that's basically how you do it till you get there. Let me just pause it and finish up. Now as you can see here, I've gotten up to 5 score. So you can just quit the game or play it later. Okay, so that's basically it. Let us try go back to Galaxy Tax and see if it can confirm. Let's play this thing a little bit. Okay, I was getting. Just quit. And just leave it there. Just move down here. And let's see if it's going to confirm. Okay, that's confirmed now. Click claim one roll at 25 points. Okay, that's claim roll, then claim 25 points. Okay, you can see it's showing claimed. Okay, let's go to this other one. I think this one needs us to use Polygon. Switch to Polygon. It's going to need gas fee, so you need to get gas fee. Just click on claim out and 65 points. Click on skip. So you can move to your wallet and confirm your wallet have Polygon gas fee. So to confirm and shows that I've done what's necessary. And you can see it's claimed. Let me go back to the game and leave the game. Setting up the network. Oh, voila. Just there's no way to show. Let me just close it. Okay. Once I change to Polygon, it's showing on the network. So I've claimed this, and I've played the game once, and I've done this one too. The next day, you can go and mint one more. Now, before you go, you can also try this. Let me go to my MetaMask and take another address. I'll take another address like this. Okay. Let me copy and make a transfer. Make a transfer, paste it here. Just make a transfer of just one. In case they ask us to make transfer error. Okay, wrong network. Let's click this and select the right network so that it will change it. It has changed. Let's click on transfer. I didn't place the right address. Sorry about that. Did I copy the address right now? Okay. I didn't. I'm going to copy the address, MetaMask. Let me copy this one. Dismiss. Copy. Go back to my wallet address, main wallet address. And I paste it here. And I click on transfer. I've inserted one. So I confirm the transaction. So in case the criteria means that you should transfer at least once and claim. So you can claim daily and transfer once daily. I think it's ending on the 12th or so. So that's what you need to do, guys, for now. And play the game once a day also is fine. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching. Until next time.